Hello everyone, I'm back. It's me, Litzy, sales staff from Gay Hair. Today I bring to you an exciting topic, starting a hair business with $50,000. Yes, we are talking about selling high quality Brazilian human hair extension. If you ever dream of launch a hair business, here are all steps you can take to start your own hair business with just $50,000. Let's fire with me. Before invest any money, it's important to understand the market. Start by identifying your target customers. Are you catering a hair salon, individual clients, hair vendor, or online shoppers? Look at competitors and analyze what type of hair extension they sell, their pricing, and their marketing strategy. Take note of their strength and weakness. This will help to your business. Step 2. Create a business plan. Outline your vision, mission, and financial projection. Allocate $50,000 wisely. Here are the breakdowns. Make sure to leave room for unexpected costs. Step 3. Sourcing quality hair is very crucial. If you want to find a reliable supplier with 100% of Brazilian human hair, I can just show and connect with manufacturer online. Request sample to check a hair quality before put orders. Building a good relationship with your supplier can help you to negotiate the best price. Import the type of hair extension you need to sell. Stock them up in a storage unit. This will cost you around $5,000 to $20,000, and the shipping fee will cost you $100 to $200 for each bulk orders. Step 4. Branding and packaging. Your brand needs to stand out. Invest in memorable logos and attractive packaging. This is what will catch your customer eyes. Don't forget to create a compelling story around your brand. Customer love connecting with a brand journey. A professional logo is going to cost you up to $1,000, or you can design it free on canvas. It's up to you. The label, tags, and other packaging material are going to cost around $50 or maybe more. And you will need a diamond label printer for $200, along with a packing slip printer for $100. Finally, leave room for $500 purchase for other shipping. Step 5. Marketing your business. With $10,000 allocated for marketing, consider a mixed strategy: social media, influencer partnership, and email marketing. Build a strong online presence through platforms like Instagram and TikTok, where visual size. Don't forget to engage with your customer, respond to comments, and share user-generated content. Step 6. Launching your website. Your website should be user-friendly and visual appealing. Make sure to optimize your SEO so customers can easily find you. Costs will include design, website production, and operation, including high-quality image and detailed description of your products. Step 7. Customer service. An excellent customer service can set you apart from your competitors. Be responsive to inquiry and consider implementing a return policy. Happy customers are the best marketing ways. The cost of hiring sales and operating staff are around $400 per person. And there you have 7 essential steps to start your own business with just $50,000. Remember, success won't happen overnight, but with your passion and dedication, you can turn your dream reality. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips to your business. If you have any questions and want to place orders, please contact me via WhatsApp for more details. See you next time.